So coming out of round 2 of the SMX playoffs in St. Louis, we have a pretty big point swing. That obviously having a lot to do with Levi Kitchen right there early on in Moto 2 when he took out Haiden Deegan. Now I'm going to say this right off early. I have absolutely no problem with tough racing, banging bars. You know, if you are number 1 and number 2 in a championship and you are racing each other, takeouts are going to happen. It's just a thing that's, in this sport, and I have no problem with it. If you don't have the racecraft or the track management to not realize the person behind you is in second in the points or first in the points, and you leave the inside open, you should be taken out. That's just a way this should work. But I will say also, if you are, and I'm going to say this right now, Levi Kitchen is, as of leaving St. Louis, 6th in the title. You should not be taking out the title leader, who is, right behind the number 2 in the title fight, Joe Shimoda, for no reason. Early on in the race, clear takeout, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. That is not he was trying to ride him high, or whatever you want to say. And yes, I know there's going to be a lot of people that say Deegan deserved it, or, finally it happened to him, whatever. If you are 6th in the title, there's no reason you should be changing the face of a championship for something like that. I mean, there's no way he's not going for the clear takeout. And he made the number 1 mistake. If you're going to take somebody out, don't take yourself out. That's, just the number 1 side of things. Now, as of I'm reading this from the Super Motocross Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it, says Levi Kitchen is being penalized for aggressive/reckless riding for the incident with Haiden Deegan during Moto 2. First offense is a written warning. No position or points penalty will be applied. So he's changed the face of the title with a clear takeout. Because it's his first offense, nothing happens. Here's a piece of paper that says, you were bad, don't do it again. And obviously, if this comes into next week, if he does it again, there's going to be, he might lose a couple points and it won't matter in this championship. And it's really going to come down to Deegan. Can he be mature enough and not hot-headed to realize I don't need revenge on him. I need to go out, win Moto 1, win Moto 2, get a whole shot, check out, and just, let the rest of the chips land as they may. If he goes and plays the revenge game, tries to take out Levi Kitchen and gets into that stupid kind of fight thing, he could throw this title completely away. And you can say Joe Shimoda might just go and win it. If he wins both motos, it's his. If I don't know the actual math, something like that, I think first and second, if they finish Deegan first, Shimoda second, I think Deegan ends up winning it in points. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But to me, this is stupid. If you're 6th in the title, you have no reason to be taking out the title contender. I don't know. That's my opinion on it. And I know Deegan is love or hate. There is no real middle ground for that. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Stupid pass, deserved. Are you excited for round 3 now because it's going to be a do or die situation? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.